Hey guys, Satyam this side, and in this video we are going to learn that how can we configure a Visual Studio Code editor for writing C# programs. Okay, so for that obviously we first need to install Visual Studio Code. So open up your favorite browser and go to the website, which is code.visualstudio.com, and download that. Okay, after downloading that, it will download it for you. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it. Okay, then go to a file explorer, and anywhere you can create a folder. That could be anything. I'm going to create a name that at uh, C sharp programs. You can name it anything. Okay, or maybe something meaningful like my application, or C sharp application. That should be meaningful. Okay, and hit enter. And this is your C# application. Now you can after you have as you installed Visual Studio Code, so now you can open it with Visual Studio Code and click here open with code. Now after that, there are a couple more things that you need to do. The first ever thing which you got to do is installing a .NET Core .NET framework. Okay, means core .NET, or whatever you call .NET framework or .NET Core, including this ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core, and go ahead and download that. Okay, you can download your version like 3.1, 4.8, anyone. Okay, anyone of your choice. And after downloading, you're good to go, and then install that like other applications. And after downloading that, the next thing you're going to do is installing an extension. For that, just type here dot c sharp uh, c sharp extension, and the first ever link which you're going to see here is the extension you need to install in order to run your C sharp program in Visual Studio. Okay, so go ahead and install that. It should be like powered by OmniSharp, and this should be the visual of that particular extension. After installing that, now we can write our C sharp programs. So what the process is, uh, enter into this application, press command tilt, which is just above your tab or below escape, uh, and CLS. Now clear the screen, and now the first ever thing which you're going to do is creating the console. Okay, means creating the application, the first ever thing which you're going to do here. So then just write here .NET new console and hit enter. After that, it will create an application for you. Okay, so now you can see here couple of files, and one directory is created, like an object directory is created, and one program.cs file and the C sharp application.cs project is being created. So now go ahead and open your program.cs file, and you can see here's a boilerplate code is already written here. Now let me walk you through what's that. Here's the namespace, which is the collection of classes, and in that one class is defined, which is program. Under that, one static main function is defined, under which your code is to be written. Okay, and here we have to include some of the libraries like using system. Okay, and then we are using console.writeline, and we are writing hello world. Okay, so this is all you know. So now how to run that? Okay, so now to run that, we have to use just simple command like .NET run and hit enter. After that, you can see output is visible here, which is hello world. Okay, which is printed here. You can, if you change that name, let's say I'm changing that name to like innovative minds, and saving that, again using that command .NET run and hit enter. Now you can see its output is innovative minds. So you can write your code here. Okay, using this this is the way you can write your code. Okay, it will learn only the main program. If you want to create another one, then you have to delete that or something like that. So this is how we can write your code. But let me walk you through one more thing, that the where the exe or the executable of this file is created. The executable of this file is created in the bin directory. Okay, you can see in the bin directory there's a file called c sharp application.exe. So to open that, just click on that and right click over there and within file explorer, and you can see here c sharp application.exe is being created, which are executable application which we can see here. Okay, uh, and this is the debug. Okay, and this is our debug, and this is our c sharp application. We are just created an empty, but by using those extension and couple more things, we are ready to go. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, do hit a like and share it with your friends. In case you haven't subscribed it, do hit a subscribe and press that bell icon so that you will never miss any update, because I keep on updating my channel with more useful content. Okay, so thanks.